So now to the latest on the coronavirus outbreak here in the U.S. and the response by U.S. health officials. Washington State is reporting more deaths from the virus, with the death toll now up to 9. Laura Podesta has been following this story. What do we know about these new fatalities, Laura?
Anne-Marie, 3 of the new coronavirus deaths occurred at the Evergreen Health Hospital in Kirkland, Washington, just outside Seattle. The patients were all women. 2 were in their 80s and 1 was in her 70s. And it's suspected that at least 2 of those women contracted the disease while living at a nursing facility named Life Care. It's being considered the site of America's first outbreak of the new coronavirus. Confusion and concern in Washington state, where 9 people have died from the coronavirus and an unknown number could be sick.
I have people in my state who may have been exposed. They cannot get answers about where to go.
In California, 1 person is in critical condition.
The patient was admitted to a local hospital on Sunday, March 1st, with respiratory flu-like illness.
There are at least 126 infections in more than a dozen states in the U.S. The head of the FDA says a private company is close to shipping out thousands of testing kits to labs across the country.
2,500 test kits by the end of the week. That should give us the capacity in the hands of laboratories, once they validate, to perform up to 1 million tests.
The Centers for Disease Control is urging businesses to routinely clean workplace surfaces in order to curb the outbreak. In New York City, officials say subways and buses will be sanitized every 3 days.
All city facilities will get extra consistent cleaning.
More than 90,000 people have contracted the coronavirus worldwide. There's tempered optimism in China, the epicenter of the outbreak. Thousands of recovered patients are going home, and officials there say the number of new infections has been dropping.
All right, so other than disinfecting public areas and then sending out testing kits, what else is the government doing to try and prevent the spread of the outbreak?
Well, Anne-Marie, Vice President Pence recently announced that all travelers coming into the U.S. on direct flights from Italy and South Korea will be screened. Because in Georgia, for example, 2 infected people are in the same household, and one of them, a man, recently traveled to Italy, passed through Atlanta's International Airport, which we know is the busiest airport in America. Anne-Marie?
Yeah, it is, Laura. Thank you very much.